Okay, there's a question here basically about trying to get the window install date. All right. Well, actually, the easiest way is to use your command prompt. Of course, you need to be the administrator. All right. I haven't tried using a normal user. Okay. And all you have to do is run this command. All right. So I'm gonna do this here. Okay. So you have your OS get install date, and once you hit your enter, all right, okay, this part over here is actually your install date. All right, so you have the year in the front, then followed by the month, and then followed by the day. All right, then the back portion is actually all your time. Okay, so pretty simple. All right, one single line of command can get what you want.